All right, so October is historically a very bullish month for the crypto market, especially during an election year, but things have not really turned out as many people were expecting, and if we're looking at the charts right now, you can see that Bitcoin has not been performing great, down 5.5% over the last 7 days. Ethereum's down 10%. Most cryptocurrencies in the top 100 are down at least 10% over the last 7 days, and if we're looking at the overall market, we can see in terms of technicals, things aren't looking too great as well. We had pointed out this key level for Bitcoin and said, look, on the daily charts, Bitcoin had to be able to hold above this 64,700 in order to confirm this bullish outlook, confirm this breakout to the upside. And now that we are rejected, it's looking like that we are just continuing to trend down more and more. And it's looking like we are simply stuck in between this level that we are going to start to retrace these lower levels of around that, $53,000 to $57,000 per coin range. So unless we see something change, unless a major catalyst comes out, it's looking like that is the more likely scenario, as we were recently rejected at that very key level. But now if we're looking at altcoins, there is a lot of good news coming out from Cardano, from Axelar, from many of our top projects, including ChainGPT. If we're looking at Axelar, for example, Axelar is a project that I've been extremely bullish on for over a year now. We did videos on it when I invested in it back over a year ago, and this project is up 12% in the last 7 days. It's one of the only projects that is standing out of all altcoins in the top 150, even 200. And that's because Axelar, in a recent X post, came out and said, look, we're introducing an entire new standard called Axelar Mobius Development Stack, MDS. They said a new interoperability standard coming to their ecosystem, and they released this entire video on it, like a trailer video talking about and explaining and just hyping up this new development for their ecosystem. And ultimately with Axelar MDS, they talk all about it. You can click on learn more, but with it, the possibilities extend far beyond just simple bridges or oracles, and ultimately a user can send a message on Telegram that rebalances a vault on Sui, which in turn interacts with DeFi protocols on Arbitrum and a financial institution's private blockchain. And ultimately, this level of integration and interoperability has never been seen in the crypto space before, and it opens up an entire new possibility in the decentralized application space. The three main parts of it are the interchain multiplier, the interchain token service, and Axelar virtual machine. And like I said, again, you can go over and click on this link. You can be directed to the page talking exactly about what this is going to do for Axelar moving forward. And I think this is one of the many reasons why we have seen Axelar just perform much better than the rest of the market. So ultimately, with all the L2s and new chains that are connecting, Axelar is enabling liquidity. And I think that is one of the main reasons why we have seen it outperform the rest of the crypto market over the last day or so. And I expect it to continue to outperform the market for the next few weeks and next few months. Next thing I wanted to go over is going to be what's going on with Cardano, because Cardano just announced a major update and a major announcement. That is that the Cardano privacy protocol Midnight Network has officially launched its testnet. And I posted about this earlier on X, and this is extremely important because Cardano Midnight testnet is live. And the important thing about it is that this protocol is based on the premise that developers must protect sensitive data to deliver decentralized applications. And now the team is confident in the capacity of the testnet. Now developers can experiment with building on-chain applications, and ultimately this aims to merge privacy with regulatory compliance on the Cardano network. It focuses on organizations and developers that are interested in upholding blockchain's transparency. And this is something that is also going to bring increased use cases to the Cardano ecosystem and help foster a more developed ecosystem for Cardano. So this is something that is very exciting. And as a result of this, we've started to see a lot of increase in whale activity. And for whales, we've seen that in the last month that the number of addresses holding between 100 million and 10 billion ADA has increased by 30%. And this is according to data from Into the Block. And this is something that is is extremely unique during a period where the market is having a bit of a correction, because we're seeing that cumulatively, these wallets hold 3.07 billion ADA tokens, representing a 17% increase from Cardano holdings last month. And this is something that is very exciting, because if we're looking at whales, they're more so than not adding to Cardano versus other blockchains. And this is something that would suggest that we are about to see a bit of a breakout, maybe a reversal in Cardano's price. And this is something that Cardano holders need, because we've seen Cardano been pretty stable for much of this bull market. We haven't seen it reach new all-time highs. It's still off pretty significantly from them. So this could be a good sign. This coupled with Midnight Network, both of these things could be a really good sign. In addition to this, we've seen that BitGo has provided custodial services for Cardano-based USDA stablecoin. And again, this collaboration involves BitGo Trust, USDA's issuer Ansons, and Emergo, the tech provider behind the Ansons platform. And this is going to be something that is extremely beneficial for Cardano, because USDA is a Cardano-based stablecoin, and seeing more support, more accessibility for Cardano and its ecosystem is only going to help with the price and potentially it going up as we see the market flip back around. Now let's also talk about what's going on with ChainGPT, because ChainGPT, while it's down around 3% over the last day or so, over the last couple of weeks, we've actually seen a pretty significant increase. It's up 30% in the last month, and this has a lot to do with the fact they're announcing major partnership after major partnership. ChainGPT recently announced a major partnership with Trust Wallet. They said we're excited to announce a partnership with Trust Wallet, a leading crypto wallet with over 130 million users. And with this partnership, they're doing a $50,000 CGPT giveaway. You can see how you could be eligible for that, and they just posted that on the main Trust Wallet account. In addition to this, ChainGPT had a major partnership as well with Binance. Binance Web3 posted 500,000 CGPT giveaway for new Binance Web3 wallet users. You simply had to sign up for Binance, claim $600 welcome bonus, connect Binance Web3 MPC wallet to complete quests, and explore ChainGPT and complete quests for exclusive rewards. So with all of these major partnerships, with artificial intelligence projects continuing to pick back up, ChainGPT is at the center of artificial intelligence in the crypto space with their launchpad, with all of their major partnerships, and this is something that I'm extremely bullish on. And last thing I want to go over is going to be Omnia Protocol, because we posted about Omnia Protocol a while back. We said, look, Ethereum is too expensive. 75% of Solana transactions fail. And this is a major problem since everyone wants 100% uptime and security. 2.8 million users at the time we posted this back in April relied on Omnia Protocol for safe, secure, and fast Web3 interactions. And once it launches, we were expecting major things. And now the big day is finally here, because we're expecting to see the IDO on 9th and 10th of October coming up. Listing date, so TGE on October 15th, and they've just posted major developments and major announcements with regards to their TGE and IDO. They said, look, IDO is on ChainGPT on 9th and 10th of October. It's listing on top exchanges. They're partnered with Google, partnered with Microsoft, partnered with some of the biggest names in the crypto and tech space, and they're doing significant things to make the crypto space better. So ultimately, if you're looking at the overall crypto market right now, yes, Bitcoin has seen a bit of a correction, but things are looking good for a lot of different altcoins. And when we see the market flip back around, when we see Bitcoin break these key levels, I'm expecting big things for a number of these different altcoins.